Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Here we will be presenting our final project for the data meaning 2 course. Previously, we utilized fixation data from Rutan Kelas 2B Kota Agung, applying the Naive-Bayes algorithm to address our problem. Without further ado, let's dive into the details of our presentation. The title, Naive-Bayes classification in the relationship between community informed citizens, WBP, and visitors, and analytic approach. Case study, Rutan Kelas 2B Kota Agung. Next. Introduction. The relationship between WBP and visitors careers, complex implication, and can affect the welfare and personal development of WBP. Their interactions can range from being emotionally supportive to playing a role in learning social skills that can help WBP when they return to society. Kota Agung, Rutan Kelas 2B Kota Agung, as an integral part of the criminal justice system, present a complex and informants involving interactions between correctionals inmates, or WBP, and visitor. The Detention Center is not only a place of detentions, but also a place where social relationship in interactions between inmates and visitors take place. Visitors to the Rutan Kelas 2B Kota Agung Detention Center include family, friends, volunteers, and other related parties who play an important role in supporting, encouraging, or even influencing the rehabilitations and social regeneration process of inmates. Research flow is data collection to processing to modeling and last conclusion. Data collection, the data used is secondary data totaling 700 data from the results of the 2023 visit to the Rutan Kelas 2B Kota Agung, Lampung Provinsi. This dataset has several attributes including number, WBP names, visit number, visitor name, gender, relationship, sub-relationship, address, visit time, and notes. After the data was collected, the other next step was to import it using Google Colab. Load data this. Next, pre-processing. Cleaning and pre-processing. The data cleaning process is carried out on redundant or duplicate data, inconsistent data, missing values, and altered data. This needs to be done so as not to affect the performance of the classification process being carried out. The data cleaning carried out also removed features that are not needed in the classification process later. Data pre-processing is a stage to eliminate several problems that can interface with data processing, pre-processing, with data processing. This is because a lot of data has inconsistent formats. Data pre-processing is the earliest technique before carrying out data meaning. Pre-processing a chance all sentences to lowercase so that they are uniform and carry out the tokenized and steamer process, like this. To delete unimportant data and display data that frequently appears using word cloud. Next. Next, labeling. Labeling refers to the process of assigning a censoring category or classification to an object or data. This is an important step in a variety of files, including machine learning, image processing, text classification, and more. The act of labeling allows algorithm and computer model to identify and understand patterns in data and make predictions or decisions based on the information. Labeling first inside library and imported library. Next, load data and divide the data into training data and test data. Okay, next, my friends will elaborate on the details and present to Junanda Agustia.
Thank you for the opportunity and time. I will continue this presentation start from processing. According to Jogianto, processing is the process of data that is processed to a model into information. The recipient then receives the information, makes a decision, and take action, which means producing another action that will create a certain amount of database. Step of processing. First, feature tracing using factorizer and model initialization. Next, modeling. At the modeling stage in the content of data mining or machine learning, the focus is on building a model using data that has been processed. It involves the process of training a data using the training data set, and then testing or evaluating the performance of that model on a test data set. Step of modeling. First, training a naive-Bayes model. The main goals of training a naive-Bayes model on a text dataset is to classify text into certain categories or labels. Example categories could be positive or negative, spam or non-spam, topic specific, and so on, depending on the nature of the dataset. Next step is make prediction. In the content of the text classification model, prediction will be categories or labels provided by the model. Next step, model evaluation. Model evaluation basically involves using certain metric or performance measure to measure the extent to which the model can predict the data correctly. In the example shown, accuracy measure the extent to which the model can predict correctly. Calculate as the number of correct prediction divided by the total prediction. Next step of modeling is display the evaluation result output. Next, create data frame for evaluation result and display data frame and accuracy diagram. Conclusion. The model evaluation result provides significant insight into the extent to which the model can predict and explain various scenarios in WBP and visitor interaction. Model accuracy, reaching a certain value, provide confidence that the prediction made by the naive-Bayes classification model correspond to the observational data. The consequences from this study are not only limited to model performance, but also include recommendation or practical implementation that can be applied in the management of the Class 2B detention center in Kota Agung. These recommendations might include steps to improve security, strengthen positive interaction between WBP and visitor, or identify behavior patterns that require future attention. The importance of this study lies in the contribution for further understanding of the interaction of WBP and visitor, which in turn can assist in more effectiveness and conceptual decision making within correctional facility.
All right, we believe that covers the explanation of our final project. We hope our presentation is clear and understandable. If there are any mistakes, we apologize, guys, as we are still in the learning process. On behalf of board, I'm Putran Purnama and my friends Dwinanda Agustia. We close with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.